bring we, the water going to take we back. As Huna did from the Gullah Geechee Nation, Jacksonville, North Carolina, to Jacksonville, Florida. Huna done yet it is most all Huna life and thing like that. But the waters now are rising. The waters now are acidifying. The waters are being threatened by people wanting to come in and do everything except our traditions along this coastline. And so we as the leaders of the Gullah Geechee Nation are standing together to create the Gullah Geechee Rising SEA, meaning our Sustainable Equity Alliance to fight climate change, to be a part of the global partnerships that are looking at life that is below water as well as life that is surrounded by water, where our cultural heritage is what we are focused on and which has not been a part of the discussions of the sea level rise and the equity that needs to go into maintaining communities. We are in the midst of a hurricane zone. We've seen the things falling all around our coast and onto our coast, but yet we stand in the midst of them to hold on to our traditions, our heritage, our culture, to address how cultural heritage has not been part of the climate change discussions and adaptation plans and resilience planning that's going on around the world. We want to now bring this in along with discussions of how to cleanse our areas from the litter that is starting to go into and poison our waterways that we live literally in the middle of on these sea islands of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And so we are standing against seismic gun blasting, against offshore drilling, because we want to protect our future, our children. So that's why we now engage in educating our people so that they can build the capacity to stand up to economically empower themselves from the businesses of our own community and to be able to pass on our traditions to the next generation as our ancestors passed these traditions to us, and that we continue to sustain ourselves from unto this day. So we stand together, we are walking together, we're rising together, and we are looking for you to be a part of our Sustainable Equity Alliance and rise with us. This is the Gullah Geechee Rising Sea. And Hunachilla know who we be. We be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Thank you for support. We.